Starting an online business can be tough. On a small budget, it's hard to get suppliers to respond to you, let alone getting one to help you customize your product to stand out. And why is delivery always so long? There's just so much uncertainty about the product, about the delivery, about the final price you'll pay. Don't you wish there was a better way? Hi, I'm Susanna, and I want to let you in on a simple solution on Alibaba.com, one of the world's leading cross-border B2B marketplaces. But before I tell you more about it, take a second to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any future tips. Okay, so on Alibaba.com, there are over 200 million products, and many of them are what they call ready to ship, meaning these products have low minimum order requirements, as few as 2 items, can be easily customized like with your designs and logos, have quick dispatch time, no more than 15 days, and in general have much greater pricing certainty. Finding these products is a breeze. All you have to do is enter your product keywords in the search bar on top of Alibaba.com, say rubber ducks. And then on the search results page, just check off ready to ship on the left. And Alibaba.com will only show you products that have low MOQs, support quick customization,
a fast dispatch time,
and greater pricing certainty. Once you find the product you like, you can place an order right away and get on with your day. If you are in need of ideas, just go to Alibaba.com's homepage and click on Ready to Ship right up top to find created product ideas. Brilliant! Ready to ship! It's just Ducky!